Hey, good morning. I'm meteorologist Josh Donen for John Scalzi on this Tuesday. We're looking at a radar right now. A few showers and even some thunderstorms out here well offshore in the open waters of the Gulf of Mexico, but on land, nothing to speak of on this Tuesday morning. That changes, though, later on this afternoon, just like yesterday with those afternoon storms tracking towards the coast. Right now it's 77 degrees, easterly wind at 6 miles per hour, humidity at 94%. No, there's still flood warnings issued for the Peace River at Arcadia and the Myakka River at Myakka River State Park. These things can go on for days. Any more rain in those areas, not a good thing, but I think today our rain coverage is going to be more sporadic, scattered in nature, and won't last very long. As far as if you're flying out of SRQ Airport going to Atlanta, LaGuardia, O'Hare, or Charlotte, no issues with any delays this morning. All right, we have dry air that's still on top of the peninsula, and that's going to limit the shower activity for today, but same song and dance. For the last couple of days now, we have an area of high pressure, actually 3 areas of high pressure now, but the general flow is from the northeast to the east around these areas of high pressure. So when the sea breeze gets going this afternoon, it won't be able to make it all the way inland as it's fighting that easterly flow around the area of high pressure. So that's why the convergence is going to be very close to the coastline, and thus these showers and storms will start to form with the heating of the day and then blow westward. You can see this on the Futurecast, what happens around 5:30 in the afternoon. We could get a good dousing of rain here, some lightning strikes, and then things will be short-lived because of the dry air. These storms just won't be able to maintain themselves. Of course, the sun will set, and then the storms will lose their energy. Let's talk about the tropics right now. Really not a lot going on, though the National Hurricane Center has this little flare up here, about a 50% chance of developing into something, but it's traveling into the northern Atlantic waters where it's cooler, and other than shipping interest, it's not really doing anything. Actually, I have 2 hurricanes now in the Pacific Ocean, Hurricane John and Hurricane Hector. Hector is one we're going to talk about here because this is a Category 4 storm. Not going to affect us, obviously, but just out of interest, it is tracking close to Hawaii, has sustained winds of 145 miles per hour, so this could become a big story over the next few days. And of course, the front right part of these storms are the most powerful, and where's Hawaii? Just to the north of this. So the front right part of Hector could clip Hawaii pretty good. So we'll be watching that just out of interest. Not a good situation for those folks there, but I'm sure the surfers are loving it. Easterly winds at 10 knots, becoming west in the afternoon, about 5 knots for the boaters. Sea is 1 to 2 feet with a light chop in the bay. Temperature today, just like yesterday, will top out at 93. Yesterday's high was 94, and our average is 90 at this time of the year. So we're going to be just above average for today. Here's your forecast. Rain chance lessens on Thursday and Friday, and then you see kind of increase on Saturday and Sunday. Actually, what's going to happen is the wind shift is going to change because the area of high pressure that's bringing us the easterly wind component now, it's going to slip southward. That return flow around it will be coming in from the southwest, and most of these storms will trigger in the morning hours along the coast and then reignite inland in the afternoon.